Do you want to make a boomerang on Snapchat? You can create a boomerang video in Snapchat with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To make a boomerang video on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Once you are on Snapchat, go to the camera screen by tapping on the camera icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, press and hold the capture button to start recording a video. You can take a video like this. After recording, tap on the looping icon at the bottom right side of the screen. This feature works similarly to a boomerang. Adjust the bouncing effect by dragging the slider to set the looped portion of the video. Once satisfied, tap on the Send to button and share it with your friends or post it to your story.